I'm laying on my tummy with my feet flapping behind me.
That's my stomp move. That's my hit move.
Yeah.
That's my A move.
What's so I mean there's quite some missing information for me.
Oh, I'm halfway through.
How'd you get here? Really?
Yeah. Editor, put up Grimace bar. Get me out of here.
Ew, that guy's scary.
I'm dead as hell. I don't know where any of my controls are.
Spinosaurus, oh my god.
Yeah. Look at that guy.
You're in a dead space particularly.
So right now I'm in the church of like the people who are like, this is good. We want every planet to have.
Oh, now I get the lore.
To have these symbiotes. It's
so
Doom.
that's kind of fucked up.
It's 2010 ass video game.
Well, I never saw it, so
Doom.
I don't know anything about Doom.
Doom's cool.
I'm more of a Duke Nukem kind of guy.
I played Duke Nukem.
I didn't play it.
One. It sucks.
I think I had a demo disc for it.
In the cereal box.
Nah, simpler time. Hey, come.
I want.
No. Nice to see. Can you throw that at them? Except my block. Oh, it worked.
I solved the puzzle.
Admire you from a distance. Editor, cut to someone tap dancing.
Oh no, these are the scariest guys. These are the scariest.
Yeah, you're not.
I mean, is that necessary? Is that the nice Christian thing to do? Who's gonna take me back to the shed?
Tough.
How am I supposed to succeed? I have no.
Maybe you have to go back.
Bullets.
What?
Fucked.
Whoa.
Guess
that guy died, so that guy exploded.
Oh my god. Yes,
yes, this is what we needed. Nice.
I'm not afraid.
Yes, this is exactly what we needed. Whoa.
I know you.
Oh, you idiot. Yes.
No,
that's the spot. Maybe if I twist it right. No, I didn't twist it right.
Wait a minute. If I pull this cord. That's a twist.
Is that you twisting?
I'm the twister. It's probably like
Kanye. That's Kanye West.
You're a racist.
No.
Did you see that guy Travis Scotting around?
Yeah,
we were putting the Travis Scott.
Like on stage
with the microphone.
That's not like.
Oh, I could have. Oh look,
it's a woman. She's the love of my life.
Dude, those things hurt. All right, those aren't toys.
I was just shopping.
Oh, you're a babe.
FaceTime you.
Wait, you're a babe. All right, JT, you be here. I'll be here.
Get away from me.
Shut up, bitch!
No. I have a mouth on the back of my hand, so when I put my hand on my mouth, it's
like the Joker?
Yeah. He's holding a deck of cards.
You're fucked up, dude. You're twisted.
Oh, it's nice in heaven.
I've been delivered. Thank you, Isaac.
Yeah. Your guy's like kind of cool.
He's kind of epic, huh?
What is going on here? This is where the children gobbledygoos go. Excuse me.
I don't like that one bit.
Is that a goober child or a real child? That is a slug baby. Ew.
Should we watch what is inevitably about to happen here?
Wait, is that the girl you were following? Nope. Oh, dude. Dude.
Yeah, I mean, alright. You microwave your baby, right?
Dude. Don't even joke. She, like, loved that baby. Oh god,
Oh,
that
he's
would have
stapled
Ow!
Ew.
Oh god.
You can just staple their heads. You know, it ain't an easy job.
I always knew I'd be here.
I should have stayed. I should have done that coding boot camp.
This is where I was.
Hormones.
Wait a minute. This is where I was
This
raised.
is where I was born. Camera zooms
Alright,
out, and
damn.
I've been a bug this whole time.
Oh, he was sleeping.
No, he's sleeping forever now. Sure, we made it through 2 chapters together.
I had a fit.
Sorry, I just gotta hit the blinker real quick. Alright, now I feel normal.
Oh, I would be okay, but you'd be
I
so
would be
stressed out.
sucking on the blinker in here, dude.
Oh, what if my boss knows I'm high?
In space.
Yeah, this is where they put my pants down
Oh
for
no,
everyone.
not the 8th graders. What'd you
Oh,
do?
hello, woman. I'll just leave her here. It
Clean it
looked like
up.
she did it.
Yeah.
Oh no.
Get the
Freeze
fuck
him.
off.
That was traumatic.
Look at all this. You feel personally affected with it.
I feel like, yeah, I feel kind of like bummed out, but
Marge, I'm frightened.
how do we get to the school?
Marge, why do you sound like that?
Who's that guy to the next to you?
Oh shit. That's my dead bitch. She's super
Oh.
dead. Oh, you winged me there. I know you didn't mean to hit me, but you did. Is she real, John?
No, is he real?
But is she
No,
real?
wait, that's his best friend.
No, they just were in the hospital together.
Oh, so who's the best friend on the phone?
Yeah.
So you're gonna tell me that they're both not real and he's dripping?
Yes.
He's-
I just saw my dead wife
okay, that is true. Okay.
in Babytown, USA.
Baby.
The national anthem is